Welcome to this presentation of the Marriage and Family Internship with Vera French Mental Health Center. My name is Sarah Binyan. The requirement for completing an internship with Marriage and Family Studies is to work with individuals or families. I decided to go on to Indeed.com and look at job opportunities in the area as I desired an internship that would be a paid position. I submitted applications for jobs that included direct care support for individuals diagnosed with mental health conditions. I received call back for several interviews, some of which would not be able to provide the internship. Some of them did. The job that I chose was with Vera French. And I interviewed with Shelly Chapman, who is pictured here. And she is the person that hired me and provided supervision for this internship. As you can see, she's very friendly and I have learned a lot working with her. My responsibilities would be working as a direct care support in one of Vera French's habilitation homes. These homes house 5 to 6 individuals diagnosed with mental health conditions that are working towards independence within the community. My responsibilities were managing their medications and helping them work on their goals for daily living and independence. Some of these goals include managing their health symptoms, learning coping skills, learning how to find a job and keep a job, and at the end of the day, I am required to document their daily activities and progression in these goals. My contribution to Vera French during this time is that I have been very dependable. I show up to work on time and I do what is asked of me. I am also experienced. I'm a mother of 5 children and have worked with helping them become independent. And my experience as a mother has been very valuable in this position, working with individuals that may not have had a mother figure in their life and that need that type of stability. I'm also educated. I've learned a lot from BYUI that has helped me know how to better interact with individuals. And I have a desire to learn. I want to know more how I can help these individuals and their families. I have benefited greatly from this experience. I am gaining experience working with individuals with mental health. This is the first time in my life that I've ever worked with individuals that are diagnosed with mental health conditions. Every day I learn something new of how they respond, how they interact, and it is so different from someone that has not been diagnosed with these conditions. I gained training on how to manage medications and training in how to work with the individuals and help them to become independent. And the daily practice and implementation of these learned skills has been invaluable. I'm learning that there is a lot more for me to learn. Several connections between coursework and this internship experience I have recognized are with the Helping Relationship class. I learned there some specific techniques and skills that I have used when working with individuals, learning to listen to them show empathy in talking to them, helping them to come up with their own solutions or decisions instead of implementing my own ideas into their life. And because of the developmental psychology lifespan class that we took, I have a greater understanding of their cognitive development and how it affects their ability to respond and interact to different situations. This knowledge and understanding has been very valuable when knowing how to help them complete their goals and what they are capable of doing. In the family and community relations class, we talked a lot about the government system and how it affects families and individuals. And these individuals rely heavily on government programs such as Medicare and Medicaid to pay for these services that they receive daily. And there are a lot of benefits. They would struggle without these benefits. However, sometimes the benefits that are provided are limited, and there are pros and cons when it comes to government programs that are available to those. While they are in need of the support, sometimes the programs limit their ability to gain independence. I would definitely recommend this internship to others. Beer French Mental Health Center has been around for many years, and the services that they provide have increased. They are able to reach out to individuals of all different levels of mental health. And their goal is to make mental health services less stigmatized and help more individuals that require these services, make them more accessible to them. The person that you would contact if you are interested in participating in this internship or working with Vera French would be Shelley Chapman, the HR director. And she's fantastic and has provided a great opportunity, and they also provide internships and other opportunities working on continuing education, such as graduate programs, becoming a therapist or psychologist or psychiatrist or other similar careers. I'm very grateful for this opportunity. There's so much that I have learned that I would never learned otherwise. Thank you for listening and participating in this video.